Hey guys, it's Miss Pam. I hope you're enjoying this beautiful day that we're having outside today. It is so pretty. I hope you get to get outside and enjoy playing in the sunshine. Spring has definitely sprung, hasn't it? All right, today I'm going to be reading you a book called The Life of a Butterfly by Robin Bernard. So here's the title right here, and here's the author. And Robin Bernard is also the illustrator in this book. When I open the book, you're going to get to see the pictures in here, and you'll see that most of the pictures are actually photographs that she's taken with a camera. And here on the cover is a beautiful monarch butterfly. I'm sure you've probably seen these when you've been playing outside in the summertime. They're just beautiful, got beautiful colors. All right, so the life of a butterfly. What do you see on this milkweed leaf? It looks like a little jelly bean or a dewdrop, but come closer and you'll find that it's really an egg and something alive is hidden inside. All right, so she used a special lens on her camera to take this picture of this egg. It magnified it and made it to where you could see it, because the actual egg is about as big as that little black dot right there. Soon the egg is ready to hatch. A tiny body squiggles and wiggles its way out. Do you know what it is? It's a caterpillar, and it's very, very hungry. Right away, the caterpillar eats its eggshell. Then it begins to nibble leaves. It eats and eats, growing bigger and fatter, and as it grows, it changes. Now the caterpillar has velvety stripes. So over here on this side, we can see the caterpillar coming out of the egg. And down here, this is an inch, okay? You can see that little black dot? That's about the actual size of the caterpillar when it hatches. Over here on this side is what happens to the caterpillar after he starts eating and eating. He gets bigger and bigger, and he has beautiful velvety stripes. Munch, crunch. The caterpillar is an eating machine. It moves along the milkweed plant, chewing up the leaves. When it's about 10 days old, the caterpillar stops eating. It looks for a safe place to rest. All right, so here on this side, we can see the caterpillar, and he's really gotten big. He has 16 legs when he's a caterpillar, okay? Over here on this side, it's kind of camouflaged in there. Can you see the caterpillar? He is starting to slow down and starting to look for a place to rest. The caterpillar crawls under a leaf and hangs upside down. Then something amazing happens. The caterpillar begins to change shape. The caterpillar has become a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, incredible things are happening. Nature is putting on a kind of magic show. It's turning the caterpillar into something new. So over here, we can see he looks almost like the letter J right there. He's starting to change. And over on this side, he went into the chrysalis, became a chrysalis right here. So what do we think's inside that chrysalis? About 2 weeks later, you can see what's inside, and it's just starting to come out. It pushes and pushes until the chrysalis splits. Look, a beautiful monarch butterfly. Now the butterfly only has 6 legs, but it has grown brand new wings. At first they are wet and crumpled. Slowly the butterfly stretches them out. So here you can see, right here he's still in the chrysalis. You can see him though. Over here he's starting to come out of the chrysalis. Over here on this side he has come out. And here he's starting to stretch his wings. The monarch rests and lets his wings dry in the sun. All the velvet stripes are gone now. Instead, the butterfly is covered with tiny scales. Soon the butterfly can fly. It flutters from flower to flower. The butterfly has a straw-like tube called a proboscis on its head. It pokes the tube into the blossom to sip nectar. Nectar is the butterfly's food. So over here he is. Don't know if you can see how he sticks that proboscis down in the flower to get his food. You can find butterflies wherever there are flowers. But monarchs are poisonous. Their bright colors warn birds and other animals to stay away. They say, "Don't eat me. I taste awful." As soon as there is a nip in the air, it starts to get chilly outside in the fall, monarchs do what birds do. Does anybody remember what birds do in the fall when it starts to get cool? They fly south for the winter. On wings as thin as tissue paper, they can fly across the ocean. When spring comes, the monarchs will fly north again. On the way home, a monarch drops something on a milkweed leaf. It looks a little bit like a jelly bean or a dewdrop, but you know what it is and just what's hidden inside. And that starts the cycle all over again, the life of a butterfly. Okay, I've got something really cool I want to show you too. I'm going to try to hold them to where you can see them really well. These are caterpillars. I got these several days ago and they've already grown quite a bit. And just today I see them trying to make their way to the top. Down in the bottom here you can see that is special food because they're in a jar and they can't get out and eat leaves. They've got special food in here that they're eating that's helping them to grow. And we know from the book that something awful interesting is going to happen, and we're going to be watching our little caterpillars and see what happens next. I'll be showing you again really soon, so we'll watch and see what happens with the caterpillars. All right, guys, that's all I've got for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I miss you.